Welcome to Storytales for Kids Phonic Awareness Episode 2. Can you make ba sound? Let's say it bh bh bh. The letter B says sound bh, like in ball. B is for ball. B b ball. B is for beer. B b beer. B is for butterfly. B b butterfly. Say it together. B b ball. B b beer. B b butterfly. Awesome. You learned the B sound. Follow Story Tales for Kids for the next sound C.